holiday weekend, Long Island Railroad trains are running on the essential schedule for essential workers only. If riding our train, you must wear a face covering during the entire time you are at our station or on. Please help New York